It's looking like we may have just barely dodged the threat of tonight's severe thunderstorms. Weather alerts still technically in effect until midnight, but looking less likely for us, especially if you're in Austin. I doubt that we'll see any storms overnight. 74 degrees our temperature, picked up 4/100ths of an inch of rain earlier today. And speaking of earlier today, this evening, this is north of Abilene. Bob Pack capturing this impressive destructive tornado. Unfortunately, we did hear it destroyed some homes. Also saw some reports of some injuries. That was with the tornado outbreak near Abilene. There were also tornadoes reported in McCulloch County and up in Coleman County. And here, so far, so good. Severe thunderstorm watch still technically in effect for Mason County, but I got to tell you, the storms have really started to fizzle. This one here has dissipated. This one here has dissipated. The only one I'm hanging on to is the one for San Saba. And instead of dropping to the south, it's actually pushing to the east. Now we'll have to see if some of this catches northern Burnett County. If so, you might see some torrential downpours, some dangerous lightning, possibly some hail. There's been 2 to 3 inches of rain within that swath that has been so slow moving just to our north. So we're going to push reset tomorrow. The dry line, that'll be again the instigator for more storms. Latest high-res computer model suggesting the storms to our north near San Saba may just barely dip into Burnett County and then dissipate in Bell County. That could be it. Overnight tonight into tomorrow, maybe some patchy drizzle around. That might be the extent of things. We'll have to watch for some possible scattered redevelopment in the afternoon. I'm only going with a 20 to 30% chance of seeing storms through around lunchtime to early afternoon, and rain totals, well, looking pretty meager, at least through that time. Then, though, by afternoon, we warm things up to 84 degrees, and by tomorrow night, we may play this whole story over again, where we watch a few isolated storms develop in Mason County, and we play the game to see if they hold together long enough to push through the rest of the area. Best bet for storms the next 7 days is going to be Sunday. After that, we're going to transition to the heat. Look at Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in the 90s. Heat index values over 100. We'll be back.